Congratulations on your new Permasteel Tool Rack. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps for your assembly and installation that you can easily do at home. We recommend choosing a level protected surface for working to prevent any damage. We also recommend reviewing the detailed safety and assembly instructions that can be found in your product's use and care guide. With that, let's get started. Carefully open the box with a utility knife. Before assembling, make sure all parts of the tool rack are present. You'll find all the items needed for installation by removing the panels and accessories from the box. Then, lay out the items according to the diagram in your use and care guide. Step 1. We'll begin by attaching the two bottom shelves to the center panel with two M6 by 10mm bolts and two acorn nuts. Step 2. Carefully fold down the hand tool holders on the left side panel, ensuring they are folded outward. Then, fold the bottom support brackets on the same panel inward. If you're having difficulty bending the brackets inward, we recommend using the wrench's rear handle to bend the side of the brackets down gently. Now carefully fold down the hand tool holders on the right side panel, starting with the bottom support first. Step 3. Now we'll attach the left side panel to the bottom shelf using two M6 by 10mm bolts and two acorn nuts. Then, attach the right side panel and right panel shelf to the bottom shelf using two more M6 by 10mm bolts. Step 4. To assemble the middle shelves, we'll attach one shelf to the left side panel and another shelf to the right side panel, each using two M6 by 10mm bolts and two acorn nuts. Then, align the holes on the shelves with those on the center panel and secure them using two M6 by 10mm bolts and two acorn nuts with the same tools. Step 5. Place the shelf with the Permasteel logo forward facing on the left hand side using two M6 by 10mm bolts and two acorn nuts. Then attach the final shelf to the right side panel using two M6 by 10mm bolts and two acorn nuts. Now, align the holes in the shelves with those on the center panel and secure them together using two more M6 by 10mm bolts and acorn nuts. Step 6. Attach the power strip to the left side panel using four M4 by 7mm bolts. Step 7. With the stud finder, mark the wall where you feel the height is most comfortable for you. Place the tool rack onto the desired location on the wall. Use a pencil to mark 6 suitable positions to drill holes. Don't forget to attach the 3 S-hooks to the left side panel. Step 8. Where you mark the wall, begin to drill holes. Step 9. Install the wall anchors into the holes using a hammer. Step 10. Install 6 M6 by 35mm screws into the wall anchors using a Phillips head screwdriver. Step 11. Attach the fully assembled unit to the installed screws. Now, fully tighten all the screws left loose from step 10. Now you're all set and ready to start using your Permasteel Tool Rack. If you have any additional questions, please refer to your use and care guide. You can also visit the link in the description for our customer service information and subscribe for future care and maintenance tips. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.